In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or insert videos into your Figma projects, as well as how to convert those videos into GIFs efficiently, all within just 5 minutes. Let's jump right in and make your Figma designs more dynamic and engaging with this simple process. First things first, we're going to head over to Figma, which is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool. If you haven't already, open your web browser and navigate to figma.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the home page. You'll want to log into your account next. You'll find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and simply enter your credentials, which will land you on your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the home page of Figma. You can do this by clicking on the home button in your dashboard. Ideally, you want to make sure all your recent designs and files are available and easy to access so you can start working efficiently. Next, select a file that you'd like to work on. You can do this by clicking on any of the files listed in your drafts or any shared projects you might be working on. Once you open your chosen file, you're ready to start the video insertion process. With your file open, look for the shape tools. You'll typically find these on the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is a toolbox that gives you various options to work with different shapes and design elements. Click on the shape tools to expand that menu. From the Shape Tools menu, select the Image Video option. This is where you can insert media into your design, seamlessly blending videos into your design work. When you click on Image/Video, a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to choose the specific video file you wish to insert. At this point, you may want to consider converting your video to a GIF if you need a lighter and more web-friendly format. There are several online tools available to help with converting videos to GIFs, which can be faster loading and easier for your collaborators to preview within your Figma projects. But remember, since GIFs are essentially a series of images looped together, they might not have the same quality or length as your original videos. Once your video or GIF is successfully uploaded, you can resize, reposition, and customize its appearance on your design canvas. Experiment with positioning it within different frames or layers to suit your project needs. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add videos or GIFs to your Figma designs, enhancing your projects with multimedia elements. Feel free to explore more ways to integrate these media into your work, enriching both your design and user experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video guide.